Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Dorian Wilger and I'm Product Specialist at Okuma. I am here at the AMB2024 in Stuttgart. I'm standing in front of the Okuma AMB4000H. The AMB4000 is a small horizontal 4-axis machining center. The machine is equipped with the Auto 2 APC, an NCB axis and a 48 chain magazine. With a small footprint and the Okuma OSP P500 control, this machine is perfect for your production. If you want to learn more about this machine, come and visit us on our booth in hall number 10, booth D71. If you cannot join, you can also contact us on info@okuma.eu.